Hello everyone, Rahul is with you, and today I will show you a very easy and profitable strategy for the binary options trading. With it I earned $611 starting at just $85. This is a good result and I will help you to achieve it. By the way, if you are looking for the information about the trading, both for the beginners and experienced traders, I invite you to my Telegram channel. Trading bonuses, proven strategies, signals and much more are waiting for you here. See you there. Today I will show you 30-second cool strategy. This strategy requires two indicators, parabolic SAR and stochastic. They work very simple. If the red and blue lines on the chart go up, then this is our signal to increase. We also look at the indicator from the above. If the candle rises higher, then this is our second signal to increase. If all this is missing or all values are going down, then we open a deal for a decrease. And now I will take a detailed look at my example. So before starting transaction, you need to set the necessary settings. First we put type pattern in the chart, set time frame for the 30 minutes, then turn on the indicators parabolic SAR and stochastic. You can see the setting of these indicators on the screen. We set the commodity composite index. The transaction time is 30 seconds. Now let's move on to the transaction. I immediately start a deal for an increase in the amount of $85. Since I see the beginning of an uptrend on the chart, the indicator lines are directed and tend upward. The deal closes and I see $164 on my balance, but I don't stop there and move on. The second deal will be worth $164. I look at the chart and start analyzing. Here we see a pullback of the chart up, the beginning of an uptrend, and the indicator lines are going up. That's why I'm opening a deal for a raise. Friends, I would like to recommend to you most reliable broker in the world of trading, Trade. Here I found transparent transactions, quick withdrawals and significant profits. Join my Telegram channel to get a bonus link for the trading. I am waiting for you all there. Yes, the transaction is also completed successfully and my balance is already $316. And now let's go to the last deal. The index chart starts jumping and the indicators show me that the lines tend to go down. The candlestick in the another indicator go down, which means that you need to open a trade to go down. Great result for today, $611 on my balance in just 3 trades. It's incredible. I get these results every day. I wonder how. Then click on the link button and wait for the new videos. Dear traders, I invite you to follow the link in the description to my Telegram channel. There I communicate with you, my subscribers daily, help them achieve an income of the $1,000 plus and share strategies and trading signals. So join us soon, strategies. See you soon in my Telegram channel.